So here we got another product. So this is from BROLAVIYA and it's a tripod. So all these videos that I am shooting right now is from the tripod which I bought, but I found these kind of overhead mounts to be more practical and more adjustable when I'm using the mounts for shooting the video. So thought to give it a try and let's see what all are inside. So first is this RGB LED. It's 3D26. I think it should be 10 inches, which I saw. There's no mention about whether it's 10 or more. It says 3D26 and just the RGB. So we'll keep it aside for the moment and then we'll bring out the mounts and see what all things the package contains. We'll throw the box out. So this is 1x4 mount. Ball head is there, which is used for mounting it on the basically all the phones, and it's 1x4 inch, so it's compatible with all the phones and GoPros and even DSLR. So this is our phone mount. Then I think this is for mounting the tabs, bigger tabs. Then we have this is a mount. I think this is for mounting it to the table, and then this is another one. I'm not sure, maybe this is for the ring light, and this is the actual product. So we'll unbox it one by one and see what all this is. So I think the build quality is fine. This is how it looks like. We have spring support here, and then basically we have this to mount our 1x4 ball head. So let's quickly open that as well. I've seen positive reviews for this product, so don't think we'll have or run into any of the issues while mounting these. Can lose it on, and then the ball can rotate and we can adjust the phones. Then we have this clamp. Okay. This can be mounted on like this to the table, or maybe it can be mounted like this if you want to use it that way. So we have both the options here, so you can see hole here and here. So if you want to mount it like this, like this, then you have to push this, like I'll just show it to you. Just open this up a little. So like this it will go, or if you're planning for a horizontal, then like this. Okay, we'll move to the other accessories. All these will make the unboxing experience a little better. So yeah, think this will get mounted on this, and then the ring light will be attached to this particular part. The next accessory we have This will hold bigger tabs. It was not there in the package, but good that they have given it. So let me see if I can put it across the iPad. Yep, but I'm not sure whether this will be able to hold this entire piece, and I don't want to take any risk right now. So yeah. But good that they have provided this in the bag itself. Then last, not last, this is second last product, and it's the mobile mount. I think it's the unboxing experience is little tedious. Don't know how they packed it in the first place. It's getting very difficult. So yeah. This is phone mount, and the quality I don't think it's good. It's flimsy, as you can see. It's turning that way. Not HC metal, so I think it will be okay. Not a good product, but I have another mount in which the current phone is mounted, so maybe I'll use that. And last but not the least is the actual LED ring. Okay, so I guess it will light up on the both side. I'm not very sure, but this is how it looks from the front and then from the back. And we have a USB cable here, and also we have the control. So it's mode, up, down, and RGB. And we can connect the this mount here and use it for our overhead mount. But first and foremost, let's see if this works. Just connect it to the USB port. So we see the light here, so that means it will work. Let's light up. We have RGB, normal, white, warm, nothing. And then we have the brightness. So that was the max, and this is the lowest. So I'll just quickly do another. So this is the max brightness that we have, and this will turn into RGB modes: single color, multicolor, fast. So next videos I'll shoot through this and I'll let you know how is the product. So if you're interested, I'll drop a link in the description so you can get and buy and use it. Let me know. Yeah. So yep, thanks everyone. These are all the things that we have received. So if you are buying, just compare and see if we are not missing any of the components. Have a great day. Bye bye.